gonna beat you this time.
Never.
It's a Jonathan song.
I don't know where I was going.
The egg. No, just go crazy.
Her legs look like they're about to torn off. Okay. Hi guys, today we're gonna try a cool experiment in the pool. We're gonna try to make a egg boat to see if the remote control car will work inside the pool. Let's check it out. Hey Jonathan,
I'll do it.
are you ready?
I'll do it.
Hey Jonathan, are you ready to play?
Yeah.
Set, go. Come on. Oh no, we're going the wrong way. Gotta go reverse.
Oh, wait, Daddy. I thought I could run.
Yay! Good job! Here we go. Is it gonna spin? Oh no, the turtle! That's awesome! It's coming towards you! Look out, Jonathan! Here it comes! Ha-ha! Awesome! It's working! Look at it spin! How fast! Now we need to make another one so we can play bumper boats with the eggs. Why don't we get Blippi? He can help us.
That's cool, Libby. You made a remote control egg boat.
Yeah, thanks. It is really cool. Do you want to make one?
Sure, that'd be fun.
Okay, let's show the kids how. Hey Blippi, what color egg do you want to use?
One of my favorite colors is blue. Can we use blue?
Sure, let's use blue. I love blue too.
Cool, let's do it. Hey, Jonathan, what color egg is this?
Blue.
Cool.
Nah, that one pink. Purple.
Yay! Okay kids, this is how we do it. We turn on our remote control vehicle, see the lights are on, and we put it in our egg like this. And then we put the top on and close it up tight. And then, just to be safe that there no water gets inside, we use some tape. Whoop, all the way around the circle. There we go. Taped up and ready to go.
Hey, can I make mine a little bit different?
Sure.
I want to try to put fins on it to see if it'll go faster than yours.
Do you want to race?
Let's do it.
Woohoo!
Okay, here's how we put the fins on. First, you pull a strip of tape off like this. And then you fold it like this. And you tape it onto the egg. That'll give the egg something to push the water. Let's make a couple of them, see if it works.
That's awesome, Blippi. How cool.
We'll see if it works. Experimenting's fun. This is how we learn how things work. It's called engineering.
That is so cool, Blippi. I can't wait to see how well it works.
Woohoo, let's go.
All right. Hey, Jonathan, you ready to put the egg in the pool?
Yeah. And that baby girl wants to go in pool.
Okay, let's check it out. Whoa. Awesome. Look out, Jonathan. It's coming.
Jonathan.
I think it'll go to
Wow, I do think it works better.
I don't know. This is going to be a close race.
Wait, Mommy, I got an idea. Let's have a race instead. Let's have a race.
On your mark. Get set, go! Uh-oh, I think they're too close together. They won't pick up the right signal.
I think yours is doing both of them.
I think they have to be separate. We might have to start at one side of the pool and the other.
You're right, your signals are.
Okay,
It's either one or the other.
I'm going to take mine to this side, you start on this side. Okay?
Mm-hmm. fun experiment.
It sure was, Blippi. This was lots of fun, too. Hey, Jonathan, what do you think?
This is lots of fun. I'll go.
Okay. All right.
Let's
Are
do
you
it.
ready? Jonathan, watch out. Here come the eggs. Ready, set, go. Whoa, no, they're
Oh
going
no, they're going the wrong way. Oh no, here it comes.
Come on, Libby, you can do it. Uh-oh, I think it needs a boost. Oh.
Jonathan, here comes the egg. A remote control egg boat. You can make these at home. Now let's try the blue one. Go, eggs, go.
Here comes.
Cool. Ah! Ooh. This is so cool. The blue one's faster. So I guess the more fins you have on the boat, faster it'll go because it grabs the water and pushes it.
I am the deep end.
The
Sailing boat.
with a red egg.
Hurry.
Get it, Jonathan, race. It's gonna beat you.
Hey kids, thanks for joining us on the remote control egg experiment.
Hope you had fun watching.
Bye.
Bye.
It's a Jonathan song, and he's singing along. He's happy all day, he loves to play Jonathan's way. It's a Jonathan day, it's a Jonathan song.